Assalamualaikum, we are from class 2D. Today we made this video presentation to present about stock management at Eco Shop Padang Besar. We would like to introduce the background of Eco Shop Padang Besar. Eco Shop is a retail company in Malaysia that is well known for offering a wide range of household products at affordable prices. The company focuses on providing value for money products to meet the daily needs of customers from various income levels. Eco Shop Padang Besar operates as one of the branch outlets located in strategic area with high customer traffic. The store offers products such as household items, stationery, personal accessory, and food packaging. Its business concept emphasizes simplicity, convenience, and cost efficiency. We started with PLC in organization, the planning function practice at Eco Shop Padang Besar based on interview with the store manager. Planning is an important management function that involves setting objectives and deciding action to achieve business goals. At Eco Shop Padang Besar, planning mainly focuses on stock management and promotion strategies. One of the biggest challenges in planning stock is balancing between overstocking and understocking. Overstocking leads to limited storage space and higher costs, while understocking can cause empty shelves and customer dissatisfaction. To overcome this, the management plans stock based on past sales data.
2.2 Organizing Strategy. Hybrid approach combine functional, geographic, and process-based strategies into one system. Centralized purchasing is function like finance and buying are managed at a Johor HQ to secure high purchasing power, keeping prices at 2-4 ringgit. Make run logistic. Stores are organized into geographic regions to optimize delivery routes, drastically reducing transport costs. For division of labor, store roles are split into back-end, stocker inventory, and front-end, cashier and transaction for maximum speed. Product categorization is employees are assigned to specific zone to ensure a shelf are always faces and clean. For the last one is plug-and-play system is a high formalization allows any employees to work efficiently in any branch. For 2.3 leading strategy, balanced leadership is used to a mixed transformational and transactional style into a motivate a large workforce. Standardized communication, area managers provide clear daily instruction to ensure all branches operate into a total agreement. Share mission. Leader is inspire staff by
Moving on to the last part, which is controlling. Controlling is a management process that's comparing that actual performance with the set standard of the company to ensure that the activity are performance according to the plan. At Eco Shop, controlling is playing an important role in maintaining store performance. According to the interview with Eco Shop, manager will request the staff to having a daily stock checking. When the stock is low, basically manager will request the headquarters for restock to avoid the problem. Another important control measure is the systematic organization of stock. Basically, product will be arranged based on the category, expiry date, and the sales frequency. And this also allows the staff to quickly identify the fast-moving item, and they can also restock the shelf efficiently. By the way, Eco Shop also implement control to monitoring the employee performance. Basically, staff are guided by the rules, including the behavior standard and performance requirement. If any employee fail to meet this standard, basically manager will provide the counseling to the staff as a corrective action. In this part also reflect a feedback controlling system in Eco Shop. However, in the interview also revealed a weakness in Eco Shop controlling function, which is the small stock intake. When the quantity of stock delivery is not enough, basically the fast-moving item will be run out quickly. And this also will affect the sales performance.
Next one, I will briefly explain the POLC analysis of Eco Shop, which stands for Planning, Organizing, Leading and Controlling. First, planning. EcoShop applies a cost leadership strategy by focusing on essential, high-demand products for price-sensitive consumers. The price adjustment from RM2.40 to RM2.60 was carefully planned to manage rising costs while keeping price affordable. Next, organizing. The company used a centralized structure where procurement, pricing, and logistics are managed by headquarters. With over 370 outlets and efficient distribution centers, EcoShop ensures smooth operation and fast inventory turnover. For leading, EcoShop practice task-oriented leadership. Store managers guide employees to follow standard procedures, supported by training and continuous performance monitoring. Leadership also remains responsive to changing market conditions. Finally, controlling. Performance is monitored through sales, inventory turnover, and profit margin. Strong governance, risk management, and sustainability practice.
Hi everyone, I'm Ahmed Iqbal and I will be concluding our presentation by our recommendation for EcoShop Padang Besar based on our analysis of their management process with purpose for key improvement. First, AI-driven stock forecasting. We recommend using data analytics to track seasonal trend. This addresses the current difficulty in predicting shifting customer demand in a border town, ensuring first moving items stay in stock. Second, space optimizing. To overcome the limitation of restrict working space, EcoShop should invest in vertical shelving and ergonomic layout. This will
In conclusion, EcoShop's success is supported by strong POLC practice. Through effective planning, the company maintains affordable prices despite rising costs. Its centralized organizing ensures smooth operation across all outlets. Task-oriented leadership keeps employees efficient and consistent, while strict controlling helps monitor performance and sustain long-term growth. Together, these elements strengthen EcoShop's competitive position in retail market.